If you are planning a trip to Flathead County, Montana near Glacier National Park, or if you're looking to buy a home or property in the area and you're wondering just what downtown Whitefish has to offer, you are in luck because I'm going to bring you along today on a walking tour of Central Avenue in downtown Whitefish and kind of show you what there is for shopping and dining in the area. Thank you so much for joining me. If you do find anything helpful or useful, please do give a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. All right, let's get going on this tour. Okay, so we're going to start our walking tour here at Depot Park. Nice big green area for picnics. There's a gazebo over there. The Whitefish Library is right over that direction. Whitefish Depot, the train station, is right there. And then we have Whitefish Mountain with the ski runs and the summer activities up in the distance. This is the Whitefish Theater Company here, so a lot of different plays and entertainment that you could enjoy there. So we're going to start on 9 Central Avenue. This is Mackenzie River Pizza Company. They also have a location in North Kalispell and South Kalispell. I personally like the North Kalispell location the best, but they're all good. Coming up here is Tupelo Grill. It's a little bit more of a Louisiana style fare. Oftentimes they have live music in there as well in the evenings. And right up here is the Great Northern Bar and Grill.
One of them around the park. Right, it's literally right here.
Huckleberry Days Art Festival is coming up here in August. Fun story, we moved here 11 years ago in August, dropped our boxes, and we actually took a break from unpacking to come to the Huckleberry Days. We had a lot of unpacking to do, but it was worthwhile. We just needed a break and to enjoy the area and remind ourselves that all of our work was worth it to get here. Okay, so this is Urban Omni. This is probably the fanciest restaurant in downtown Whitefish. And then we have Flora Bake Shop here, one of my favorites. Great pastries, baked goods, coffees. Now this store here used to be called Merriweather, but I think they've changed their name. This is now the Ruddy Duck. Similar theme though. Maybe if you have littles that can read, it might not be the best store for them. But it's fun to go in and take a look around. Okay, and up here on the left, by the fun little scooter there, is Abruzzo Italian restaurant. They have wood-fired pizzas and some pasta dishes. This is Amazing Crepes. Absolutely love their crepes as well. They have savory and sweet. Bitterroot Brewing Company. Pretty dark inside there. Definitely the bar feel.
It wasn't the pottery.
Okay, right here is Huck's Place. If you want juice, smoothies, beer, wine, gelato, a little bit of everything. And then the Go and Company, the fine jewelry and accessories, right here.
That very last song.
Oh yes, and you will see a lot of dogs in downtown Whitefish. Very dog-friendly community. Okay, this is going to the Sun Gallery. Fine art, turquoise and sapphires. This is the Stumptown Art Studio. You can go in there and paint pottery. It's a lot of fun. Of course, it does take a few days for them to fire it, so if it's a short visit, you might not be able to pick your item up before you leave. This is Latitude 48, Bistro and Red Room Lounge. And if you were to head right down that way, it's Mum's Flower Shop. They have beautiful flowers. They do a lot of weddings here locally as well. Okay, so while we wait for the light, right over there, that building past the big Kalispell green sign is Firebrand Hotel. They do have a rooftop pool and balcony, which is a lot of fun. They do have a restaurant inside as well. And that yellow building over there is Wasabi. They have sushi. I wouldn't say it's my favorite in the valley, but if you're craving sushi and you are downtown Whitefish, that's a convenient option. Okay, back on track. Tesso Romeo Spa, red light therapy in there, and the Montana Shirt Company. So similar to Montana Scene, which we'll see on the other side, if you're looking for Montana themed shirts, sweatshirts, ball caps, things of that nature, it's a great place. This is Big Sky Antiques. I absolutely love this store. It's a super fun store to go into. Just an eclectic variety of things. As you can see out here, we have a few little yard ornaments at the entry.
This is Stop.
Okay, this is Northwind Shirt Company and Sapari Clothing, Jewelry, and Gifts. And it looks like a Family Jewels vintage clothing and jewelry. I have not been in that before. Oh, it's the back room of Safari. Maybe I have been and just didn't realize it was a separate name. My daughter loves vintage, so she would absolutely love to hit that. Okay, this is Beauty and Brow Aesthetics Lounge, Med Spa. And up here we have Imagination Station for the kids. You get all your toys. And the nice thing here is they actually wrap, if you buy a gift for somebody, I bought a client gift there, and they just wrap it for you right there. This is Whitefish Gift and Gear. This is one of my friend's absolute favorite stores. And then we have the Huck Patch Outpost. Just a little window where you can get all things huckleberry and a root beer soda. Okay, highbrow, facials, makeup, sugar waxing, yoga studio, fine art gallery.
So, like, especially about that. But I try to go up. Yeah, we don't have way this size, so.
And then we have Copperleaf Chop up here and Voyager Booksellers for used books. Another jewelry company, Stephen Eiley Jewelry. Oh, it's actually for sale. So if you're looking for a downtown space, this space could be yours. Let me know. All right, we're gonna keep going. Normally I would stop here, but they have built up a few more shops and things down this way. So let's take a little bit longer of a look here. We've got the First Presbyterian Church. That is Buffalo Cafe over yonder with the buffalo sign. Great for breakfast. A local's favorite. Okay, so down here we have like Love Yoga Montana, Wild Coffee Roasting, and Whitefish Tax and Consulting and Skin Aesthetics. Forlo. says it's 100% designed, sourced, and stitched in America. And then Trovare is a culinary adventure. And I do love this store as well. You can go in and sample different olive oils, different flavored olive oils. You can see them on the back wall there. They've got orange infused, rosemary, roasted shallot, Tuscan herb, all kinds of flavors there. So definitely take a peek in there. You can also do cooking classes there, which are a lot of fun. And then down here is M Studio Fashion and Art, and then Cabin Creek Antiques, which is also a fun store to poke your head into. They have furniture, books, like coffee table books, a variety of things in there. Across the way is Tail Waggers, the Whitefish pet store. So all these dog lovers pop in there for their dog items. And then right over here is the Great Northern Cycle and Ski. So if you have cycling needs in the summer or ski needs in the winter, they should be able to hook you up. All right, and before we head back down Central Ave, I should introduce myself. I am Janet Cantrell with Radiant Realty, a local realtor here in Flathead County, Montana. And I just love sharing Montana real estate, recreation, and just the area amenities for you. So if you would like to see more of that, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay a while. And if you are looking to buy or sell a home or property here in Montana, definitely reach out. I would be honored to help you with that and answer any questions that you might have. Okay. So right down there is Sweet Peaks Ice Cream, a fan favorite as well. They do have a location in Kalispell also, downtown Kalispell. So you'll probably see that on our downtown Kalispell walking tour at some point also. And the Whitefish Goldsmiths are down there also. Okay, so up here we have the Dick Idle Signature Gallery. If you go way back to my original Whitefish Montana Eat, Stay, Shop play, they were featured, and you'll get to see a little bit more inside. Gorgeous artwork in there. This is Pure Care CBD, red light therapy. And over here we have Out West Trading Company. More apparel. Locally themed, of course. This is Modern Pastime. I love this store as well. And they do have another branch in downtown Kalispell also.
Sprouts, a kids store heavy. That sounds
And then this is Sprouts Children's Boutique. Super cute. Look at those little tiny ball caps. They're so precious. Okay, Sage and Cedar. Lotion, sunscreens, bug repellent, all natural, organic items. They also were featured in my Kalispell Eat, Stay, Shop play from 2020, I believe. So Suzanne and I are getting ready to redo those. So stay tuned for some new features. This is SM Bradford Company, apparel, boots, jewelry, home, and gifts. Definitely the Montana feel for the storefront there and inside with the antler chandelier.
He said you have in Seattle, like the DT with them. Business trip. Business.
Okay, let's try to make this light.
I'm sorry, I still like it, my people. People don't like it. They're really people.
So right here on the corner is the Montana scene. They also have a branch in Kalispell downtown and Big Forks downtown. Montana themed apparel. This is the Bulldog Saloon, a classic. Huckleberry hot wings. I bet those are pretty good if you like hot wings. This is the Remington Kitchen and Bar. Open late, great burgers, cold beer.
Salty or anyone?
Looks like they also have a casino and live poker. Another dispensary.
Or we could stop by that other store for saying like the REI type store. So you're awesome.
And this is Stumptown Snowboards. So they have apparel, obviously snowboarding gear, sunglasses, a variety of things in there. Down here is the Trunk Show Consignment and Boutique and the Vi Wellness Lounge. And also the Toggery, which is a great store for apparel as well and some gifts. This is Montana Coffee Traders. I love the bocadillos there. If you are hungry and want food and not just coffee, try those. They do take a little bit of time to prepare them. I think they have to fry them. So if you have 8 minutes or so to wait, they're a great order. Okay, so right across the street here is, well, actually, let me show you. Down here is Camp Martini and _ Art and Jewelry. And then over here is this fun outdoor area that they've set up with kind of food trucks and live music. It's called 38. And just such a fun time. They have cornhole set up out there, picnic tables, the stringed lights. These windows are huge, garage door type windows, and they're nice and open so they get the breeze here. This is Craggy Range Bar and Grill.
I see. First, showing the eyes. Yeah.
And then up here is Black Star Restaurant and Brewery. They do have rooftop seating, which is great. They have some pretty good burgers. And we've made it back to where we started. All right, I hope you guys found that tour helpful. If you do have additional questions or you're looking to buy or sell a property or home here in Montana, definitely reach out. I would be honored to help you with that. If you would like to see more of Whitefish Mountain up that way and the summer activities, Suzanne and I actually recorded a video. We took the scenic lift ride up and then we hiked down Danny on trail and we showcased some of the activities there as well. I will go ahead and link that at the end of this video. Have an amazing week and I will see you next time.